2018, we good. What we here, y'all. So yeah, did I say that? No, but it's 2018 and I'm super. Haven't been on YouTube in a while because I've been getting my life together, y'all. Like, Lord knows I've needed this. Like, I needed some time away just to get my life together. 18, y'all were so good to me. Y'all boosted my confidence, honestly. Y'all allowed me to step outside of my comfort zone and was allowing me to do videos, and y'all supporting me, so I'm so appreciative. I thank y'all. I'm at 570 subscribers and I'm so appreciative. This year I want to give more to y'all, so less talking and more showing. So this video is going to help people who know that they have big things that they plan to do 2018, but they just haven't really started them. They haven't mapped everything out. So yeah, this video is going to help you map everything out and get your life and your goals in order and just see a vision. Yeah, like see your whole vision visually, because this is my vision board video. So yeah, I'm gonna show you my vision board, and I'm gonna talk about the process, what I went through to get my vision board to how it looks, because it's so beautiful. I'm gonna show y'all now. It's so freaking beautiful. She lights up as well. I'm just so extra. Me and my friends, we actually did a vision board party, and we were working on this for a good hot minute, like maybe like freaking 3 days straight. We were working on buying supplies, printing out pictures. We just made it like a party. We made it exciting because this is way before. This was actually in December, like 2 days after Christmas. So we finally finished, I think. Did we finish? We finished. I don't know. But yeah, we did this before 2018. And so if it's later, if you're watching this video and it's later, hopefully you watch it sooner than later. Hopefully you're watching it. Just know that it's not too late to have your vision and set in stone, or just have your vision visualized so it can come into fruition for this year or for next year plan. But I still made ultimate goals, and like I achieved pretty much everything I wanted to achieve, minus the MCAT, which I'll get onto, or my career goals. Achieved everything that I wanted to, but I just feel like for some things in life, you just have to see it visually. It has to push you and motivate you. So and so we can get started, because I also will have clips of the process that I went through to get everything. Look at Renita. It is
about to close. FedEx is about to close, and we're going to print out our vision board stuff. We are still in FedEx, and it is
9:04. I don't even think I could see this. It is.
How do I know if this is going to show up big or not?
It is 9:06, and FedEx closes at 9 o'clock. And Renita is still like editing pictures on these people's computers. Photos. I'm still currently waiting on Renita because yeah. And I know the FedEx people are as well. But yeah. Right. You see her nails? They're so cute. So freaking cute. So here I have trash bags, the pins, a rock that I'm gonna paint, rose gold, a jar, and a jar lid for my jar at home. Blue tape here. I have blue tape. Okay, we'll see. I got these the lights inside from Target. Lights were $3, the same as I have a jar over there, which is my affirmation jar that I put up, and that's just the affirmation jar. Yeah, I'll get into that later in another video, but the lights that are inside of here are $3, and so they were super cheap. And my pictures from Kinko's, I printed these pictures from Kinko's. I have actually found the pictures off Pinterest. started, you will want to do get a piece of paper and dissect it into 4. So your career goals for 2018 or whatever year you're watching this, or the year that's coming up, the spirituality goals are, your self-growth goals, and your relationship / health. And so that's how I dissected my 4. You can do whatever 4 you choose to do, but that helped me to visualizing what pictures I was gonna input on my vision board, because I just didn't want a whole bunch of useless pictures on my vision board. I wanted to make everything useful, especially because my board is a picture frame. And it's a big picture frame, and that's what I loved about it. It's super unique. It's not just a cardboard. You can use the cardboard. The dollar store, they had a lot. Walmart has a lot as well, but I chose to do this, something that I can look forward to for the whole year. So that's why I chose this photo. And plus, me and my friends, my best friend actually purchased this for me, and for our vision party. And so we were extra as heck and just wanted something so extra like this. So yeah, you don't have to do, if you're tight on money, like I was gonna try to split a 50 cents. I was gonna try to split $1 board with her, but she brought this for me. But yeah, like I said, long story short, whatever board you choose to use, you want to have pictures on there that are meaningful and not just a whole bunch of random pictures. So yeah, you want to dissect your stuff into 4. Talk a little bit about my visions and my visions for 2018. So most of my visions were centered around getting into medical school. That's my #1 vision. If you didn't know, my channel's on beauty and health, and so of course I wanted to get better on my beauty aspect. I wanted to actually upgrade the beauty aspect of my videos, which I kind of did here. This was so me, this background. I'm so happy I got this background because it's so me. And so I want to learn more about my camera as well. So I'm going to be in the search and do months of learning to better utilize my camera. At the bottom, oops, I don't twirl the thing now. At the bottom it says it has time, and if you really know me, I'm always late. Any of my friends could attest to this. I'm always late, so I said I want to do better this year on that one. I'm gonna be 24 this year, so my 24. I'm living by I'm living by the date 24 this whole entire year. I'm setting my deadlines to 24. Everything 24. January 24th, a deadline. February 24th, a deadline. So that's my year, and that's gonna be my number for the year. So if you see here, it says in the middle, it's like get SHIT done. That's my motto for the year. Get it done. Basically get it done. And like also, well, it says you got 2 choices: do it now or regret it later. That's one of my quotes on here. And like I said, I got all my quotes from Pinterest. And then here, one of my other favorites is like hang out with people who force you to level up. That's my goal in 2018, and like it's always been my goal. Like I always hang around people who are like-minded, and I feel like you should do the same. It drives you, it pushes you to do more. And so the other one is don't look back. That's a big thing that I have a couple actual. This one, then I have one in the center that says the same thing, but basically I can't live 2018 looking back at my past, looking at anything that hurt me or anything that I didn't do. 2018 is here. It's a freaking new year, so I'm not looking back. And so that's why I had it on my board, and it's just a constant reminder. So anything that I didn't get done in 2018, I can't look back and say, well dang, that's and yeah, I hope you all find this video very inspirational. If you want to know anything more about my video, definitely let me know. Like I said, this is 2018. There's no excuses of why you cannot level up this year, especially with a board like this, or just having any type of vision board. I believe that a vision board will allow you to see things daily. It's a constant reminder to get on it, especially if you have meaningful pictures on there. Like I said, find meaningful pictures that can just motivate you, and mine is lit up. So every day I wake up in the morning, I'll turn my little light on and I light it up, and it just lights my whole day up. And the same with my jar, and then I have like other little lights on the side, and it just gives me that. It's only week 2 in 2018, but it's just so far has lit my morning up. Like even when I'm sad, like I say, okay, Karana, like you're gonna wake up, just turn your lights on, you're gonna feel totally better. And I have like, so far, it's only week 2, but I've noticed a change in just my attitude and my spirits. Like I said, on my vision board, I have God as well. I have 2 crosses. One that says it is finished, and then the other one that says without works is dead. And then it's the Bible verse that is from, which is James 2 in, I believe, James 2 and 14. So I use that Bible verse. I actually have it on my Pinterest as well. So all these pictures are on my Pinterest. I believe all of them are on my Pinterest. And if they're not, I'm gonna upload them as well as this video with the video. So definitely you can check out my Pinterest and follow me. Like I said, I don't know much about Pinterest. I just added Pinterest. I just downloaded the app solely for the purpose of this vision board, but I will be using Pinterest a little more in 2018. So definitely follow my Pinterest, and you can, you know, get some of the quotes that I have maybe, or just see, you know, what I have on my Pinterest. So this is my vision board, and it's 2018, and I'll give y'all an update on my year later on. I encourage everyone to make a vision board. I encourage everyone to have visions, have goals for themselves for 2018. Don't just live life just walking by. Live life with a purpose. Just be driven. Find a purpose in your life, and just find out things that you like. Even if you don't know what you like, explore everything. So if you gotta put different freaking things on your vision board that you never even thought of you could do, just put it on. It's for you. And it just gives you hope and motivation. It just drives you. And I've seen a lot of people say that these visions work, like these vision boards work. And I even was a test of my friend's vision board working, because I saw growth in her life. So I said 2018, I just gotta do it. And so this is my vision board. Hope y'all like it. I challenge you to join me with the 52-week challenge, to challenge yourself to, you know, jot down an affirmation. I challenge you to jot down 52 affirmations for this year. Mine is a spiritual affirmation, so I put 52 spiritual quotes that I find that are compelling to me for that week. So it's 52 weeks in a year. So like I said, I challenge you to join me and do an affirmation, because it will give you some motivation. Like I believe that all this vision board, my affirmation shelf is just giving me some hope for 2018. Like I know I'm gonna do work, so I'm just like, I just want to share that. And I just feel like if you're in my channel, you're not only watching me grow, I want you to watch this and feel like you can grow as well. Like, comment, and subscribe, and definitely be you, because at the end of the day, you are beautiful. And it's 2018, y'all. New year, new opportunities, a fresh, clean slate. So bye, y'all. Love y'all. Peace, love, and happiness. 'Cause at the end of the day, be you.